Hello guys, there we have a dishwasher Electrolux ESM64840SX and welcome on program overview video. So in this device the first program is Echo and it's for a normal lighted ride on degree of soil. The next program is 160 minutes and the degree of soil it's a normal to heavy ride on. The next program is 90 minutes and it's normal lighty on ride on degree of soil. The next program is 60 minutes and there we have a fresh lighted ride on degree of soil. The next program is 30 minutes and it's a quick wash with the degree of soil fresh. The auto, it's for all of the degree of soil. And the next one, it's a dishwasher low to none, cleaning the appliance of interior. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.